Local news for Thursday the 21st of February. Work on the seismic restraints in Wairarapa Hospital ceiling are well on track after a successful preliminary inspection visit by the original engineering inspectors. Stage 1 of the project is almost complete, and by mid-March all the heavy plant and services in the ceiling space will have been properly restrained. From this Sunday, the airport flyer or Route 91 in Wellington will stop accepting Snapper as payment methods and will no longer be tracked by Metlink's real-time information service. The airport flyer will now only accept EFTPOS payments and cash fares. Champion shearer Roland Smith is likely to be the warmest favourite ever to win the Golden Cheers Open final next week after an unbeaten record in 10 competitions in 4 weeks. That said, David Buick is hot on his heels, picking up another second last weekend at the Southern Cheers. And it's expected to be known today if Martinborough's boil water notice will be lifted or extended. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.